Oop, there we go. Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be working on our abdominals or core. So we're gonna start off doing some stretches. We're going to be on the floor, so feel free to take a second to find an area to be at, or a mat, or some sort of blanket to sit on, whatever's more comfortable for you. So, our first little stretch, you can either straighten your legs or you can have them bent, whatever's a little more comfortable. We're going to try and sit up as straight as possible, and we're going to kind of twist to the side here, have your hand down, and really stretch out that back.
Oh,
Switch sides.
I know. That's okay. I don't know. What's wrong?
And we're going to do that one more time.
No.
Alrighty. So again, either straight legs all the way out. Just make sure that we're sitting up nice and tall. Roll back your shoulders.
Oh, yeah.
And now we're kind of gonna do like a little side bend stretch. So you're kind of just kind of hold. If you can't straighten your legs, feel free to bend them a little bit. Give yourself some balance. I'm just gonna do this side bend. Put your hand right here for some support.
Make yourself go home. That's it.
I'm gonna do that one more time. This one you can cross your legs or keep them straight or knees bent. We're just going to do a little neck stretch. So we're just gonna sit up nice and tall and bring your ear to your shoulder. Don't raise up your shoulder or anything. You're just trying to really stretch out the neck right here.
I hope not. I hope not. I got a jerk to try to.
One more time on your side.
But I do know the doctor said white desk, white office.
So today, again, core. A lot of this is trying to keep everything nice and tightened, and you're going to keep your back straight, shoulders down. Just the mechanics. And we're going to start with Russian twist. These are pretty common. Might have heard of them before, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your heels on the floor. See that a little bit. And knees bent. And then you're gonna try to lean back. Try to keep this straight. The more you lean back, the harder it's gonna be. So if you can't lean back super far, kind of bring it up here a little bit more. What you're gonna do is you can either have your hands together or like apart, whatever is more comfortable for you. You're gonna bring it to the floor, really twisting, tightening that core, and that's one. So we're going to do these about 10 times each side.
Utilize those plugs, huh? That's awesome.
And so again, twisting here and coming in. However slow, however fast you go. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and kind of relax your legs a little bit and come back. Now we're going to do a front plank. I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to do it. Each have different levels of like how hard it is and just different modifications. So the easiest way is to come down on your forearms, and usually you have your toes on the ground, back straight, not trying to lift your bottom or anything. But the easiest way, it's a little bit of a modification, is to bring your knees down.
Was my video on a Friday.
Yeah, back straight. Try to keep your head, you don't want to lift up or sink down too much. And then the hardest way is to be on your toes and on your hands. So,
Very true.
whichever way is more comfortable for you, and you decide on what you want to do. Again, easiest way, knees and forearms on the ground.
I'm
Medium,
off the clock.
knees up, and hardest on your hands. And we're gonna hold that for 30 seconds.
My knee brace is definitely not showing up until tomorrow night.
Oh no.
So 30 second hold.
I'm just gonna.
And if you can't do 30 seconds, so all the way through, you can always do 15, take a rest.
Just say you forgot it.
And then do it. Because we're going to do this 3 times. I'm definitely going to give you a second of breath and kind of relax your muscles. So I'm going to do this one. So ready and start.
So I ordered but I did a lot. And
15. Breathing. 25, 30, 2, and 1.
Oh.
they're the slowest.
Breather. Kind of relaxing a little bit. Again, just really make sure that you're breathing through that. It's really easy to hold your breath. But we're going to do that 2 more times.
I had something to
And then stretch out a little bit.
So,
So, again, ready, and go. Make sure keeping your butt down.
Oh my.
15, 25, 1, and relax.
They tell you how long your ACL surgery, like after you have it replaced, how long is it supposed to last you? Like the replacement. Like forever, it's good forever. Yeah.
no, it's good until you re-tear it. Yeah, no, they're not forever.
Really stretch your back a little bit.
An ACL?
Last time,
3 years and I've known people that have.
got this. I believe in you. Ready, and go.
Yeah. What if I work together?
15.
No, it's okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I do like a little baby cobra spread. So the next one, I'm gonna come back and feel free to definitely get some water right now. And kind of stretch out a little bit. But for this next one, you're going to be laying down on your back. Let's see. See here. So here, your feet are like about hip width apart. And what you're going to be doing is feeling with hands. So basically, your arms are like here. Don't try and strain your neck too much. It's really to just try and get this motion because you're just trying to reach your heels. And if it hurts too much, feel free to put your hands behind your head to get that neck support and just try and reach your elbows to your heels. So whatever is more comfortable for you,
I'm blaming all on you.
just getting this motion down.
Yes.
So we're going to do 20 on each side. So technically, it's, this is 1. Going to each side, 1. So ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And relax. Woo. Definitely feeling that at the top part of your abdomen. Really get those abs. Feel free, get some water again, kind of take a second. Always breathing through those. Breathing is super important, especially with core exercises. Next, we're going to do bird dogs, which if you're getting water, I'll probably show you that. Take a drink.
Oh, wow.
So, bird dogs. We do these, and you might have heard of them before. But there's a couple different modifications and ways to do it so then it's not too difficult. But still feeling the burn. So the easiest way is to just reach your arms out. Tightening your core. Try not to do this or really arch your back. You want to always keep it neutral and relaxed. So again, just reaching in front of you. Or you can reach behind you with legs, which is a little bit harder than the arms. Just doing that motion. Or you can do both at the same time, but you're going to do opposite legs. And that's just the hardest way to do it. Really trying to tighten that core, keep those muscles tight. So I'm going to do it the more difficult way. Whatever way is more comfortable for you, feel free to do that. If you can't go on your knees, like if just being on your knees like that is uncomfortable, feel free to do the one that we did before this, the heel touches. And so we're going to do that for 10 times. So this side, 1. So this side, 1. This side, 2. 3, 4, 5,
use some light exercise. Don't do anything that's really pushing. Yeah, I'm not gonna beat you up today. I'm gonna go grab some meat about that. Okay. Just a bad day.
I never stop.
Oh, what do you need? I need stuff. I'll wait for it.
Well, my last one, I promise.
Yo, you're good. Just slide the step over when you're done.
How much? Just the 6? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. All right. So, just remember those. So this next one is a side plank. And this can be a little bit more difficult. But there's 3 different ways that you can do
Oh yeah,
it
this is where a lot of people fail.
to make it easier or a little bit harder.
Is trying to jump from the
So, come to the side. You can bend your knees and keep them on the floor,
We'll see.
just keeping them straight.
I was gonna
And then you
say,
can come down on your forearm, and then
You
just rest this hand here, and you just lift it. You're not doing an up and down motion, we're just going to be holding it right there. So, again, try and keep your body aligned as much as possible. Knees down, forearm down, and just
I'm not
coming
sure if we're allowed to.
and tightening. You're really trying to work these obliques down here. And we're going to hold that for 30 seconds. So that's the easiest way. A more medium way is to still be on the forearm, but just have your toes down.
was that on?
Yeah, so on your feet with the elbow coming up, trying to keep this straight. That's for a 30-second hold. Or on your feet again, but your arm is straight. So you kind of just. Whew. That's a little difficult for me, but whatever is easier, I'm probably going to do the easiest way, which is on my knees and on my forearm. And we're going to hold that for 30 seconds on each side. So, come here, down here, and ready, 30 seconds, go. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Okay. There we go. Sorry about that. So, still holding. Just keep this here, body alignment here. And stop. If you're still holding the whole time. And we're going to come to the other side and do the same thing. Another 30 seconds. Down here on the forearm. Bent knees. Try and keep body aligned. Really working on those obliques. Ready? And go. $13. 25, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and relax. So that's the last one on our circuit. We're going to go back up to the top to the Russian twist. Hopefully get some water. We'll take a breather. Mask got stuck in my glasses. Hope you're having a great day today.
Terrible.
Alright, so back to the top, working on those Russian twists. Again, the farther that you lean back, the more difficult it gets. So just trying to make sure we're keeping that back straight. Knees bend, heels on the ground. You don't have to be flat-footed for this. Just have your toes up. And ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go ahead and relax. Okay, so the front plank. Front plank again, easiest. Knees. Trying to keep that back straight, so we want to bring forward. Trying to keep spine neutral, back straight right here, or toes up. Not too much here. Keeping that back straight, or here. Whatever is more comfortable for you. Alrighty. I think I'm going to stay down here with my knees this time. Ready, and go. Really tightening that core. 15. 25, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Stretch it out. If you can't come this tall, and look, kind of reach up and stretch out that back. Okay, another round. Okay. Ready, and go.
How are you doing on time?
15.
Oh, yeah? Oh, maybe you're probably like,
4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Whew. You're definitely gonna feel this. It's more of like a whole body workout because you're using many different muscle groups for this. You're using your shoulders, your arms, your abs, and also your glutes and some of your back muscles. So definitely a good one to use for the whole body. And it's definitely a burner. So we're gonna do that one more time. Feel free to get some water.
But, you know, I found some kind of.
Alrighty, last time. Come here. Last time. And go.
But it's not unfair.
15.
But there's some way to do it.
4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and relax. Stretch out. Now pulling back onto your body and keeping those feet flat on the floor, hip width apart, and coming down here.
Courtney, do I do the bridges still or? No, yeah.
Alrighty. So again, come here or behind your head, next level of support. Up, reach, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And relax. Alrighty. Back to bird dogs. Again, if you cannot do bird dogs, feel free to do the exercise that we just did. Alrighty. So we're here, all fours. Again, either just arms, just the legs, or both. Opposite ways. A little bit. Alright. 10 of these. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Back to the side plank. Whew. Feel free to get some water. Turn to our sides. Onto the forearm for the easiest way, or on your toes, or on your hand and on your toes. Whatever is more comfortable for you. And ready, go.
Timer went off, but
15,
yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty. Switch sides. Here and here. Trying to keep the body aligned as much as possible. Ready? And lift.
Yeah.
15,
Right after the fact. So the doctor, the surgeon says,
4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Stretch it out a little bit. Get some water.
we can't, huh?
Alrighty. So I'm gonna have us do a couple more exercises before we start working on our cool down. Just because we did start a little bit late and we still have some time. We're just gonna go through the circuit one more time and then we'll work on our cool down. Alright. So back from the top onto Russian twist. So again, feet here. The further you lean back, the more difficult it is, keeping your back straight, your shoulders go back. And ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And release. Alrighty. So back to the front plank. Ready? So we're here, and I'm gonna just stay down here. And go, engaging that core.
That's lucky. Feel all right?
15,
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And relax. Stretch it out a little bit. And back up for round 2. And go.
No, I can't really say.
15,
Hey, the biggest surprise.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alrighty. Now we are going to move on to heel touches.
But my experience.
So back here, flat on the floor. Move back. Again, hand behind you for support. If not, to your sides, reaching for your heels. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And relax. Alrighty. Feel free to stretch it out, get some water. Next one we're going to do is bird dogs. So back to all fours. Here. And again, if you cannot do these on your knees, feel free to do the heel touches. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to keep that core tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Whew. Last time doing side planks. Whew. Alrighty. Again, whichever way is more comfortable for you. Here, body alignment, and go ahead and lift. $15. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Alright, so next side. Here. Right, and left.
Oh, now. Maybe,
15. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and relax. Get some water. We're going to go ahead and do a cool down. I apologize for the noise. We're doing construction right now. Alright, so after you've gotten some water, now we're just going to wind down with some cool down exercises to get our breathing back down and to get our body temperatures back down. So again, like before, we're going to do neck stretch. Hold that for about 30 seconds. Try to keep our shoulders down still. The other side.
it's my fault.
One more time on each side. Switch. Go ahead and do a bit of an arm stretch here. Just coming across and pulling on this like yesterday.
I know.
Switch. Sitting up straight, just waiting for posture.
Good. Everyone's doing really good.
Yeah, I don't think
Over the top. And elbow, sitting up straight. Switch.
yeah.
We could do another side bend. So feel free to either straighten them completely and sit up, or keep them bent and still try and keep your back as straight as possible. But we're going to do some side bending. Really stretch out all these side muscles right here. Side.
Yeah.
One more time.
Yeah, I mean,
Alrighty. So that concludes today. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna have some sort of yoga exercise. I'm gonna look into it a little bit more, but it should be a little bit more relaxing. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me and working out with me. Bye.
Yeah. Well, you got that governor.